Assalamualaikum students. Hope you will be in the good health and iman. Today we will study Oxford Countdown Math grade 3 page number 2 onward. So students, it is also very necessary to read all the expression of the chapter and all the terms which are given on the books before solving the exercise, because exercise is a very small part of the information which is being assessed by the book from your side. So let's start the reading. Oxford Countdown Maths grade 3 page number 2, even number. Even number always end with 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. They exactly are divided by 2. So the number which can be divided by 2, they ends with 2, 4, 8, 6, 2, 4, 6, 8 and 0. They are even number, odd number. Odd number always end with 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. They are not exactly divided by 2. Okay, they can't be divided by 2. Example 62, 84, 90, 10, 70 are all even number because unit digits in these number 2, 4, 0, 6. In the number 31, 45, 73, 85 are the odd number because the unit digit of these numbers are 1, 5, 3. In the same way, the unit digit, if unit digit will be 1, 5, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. So this will be odd number. Circle the odd and even number. You can see the solved. So next, Roman number. Roman counting is also a type of counting. The numerals that are used world that are used the world over today are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 are the special name. They are called Arabic numerals. So this is because they were invented in India and were passed on to Europe and other part of the world by Arab traders several hundred years ago. Arab were very good at maths. Yes, students, actually, several hundred years ago, Arab people were very good at maths and they invented the counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Before 1, 2, 3, this type of counting, people used Roman. Roman are very different from 1, 2, 3, 4. So you can say that it's Roman is an ancient writing, and after that Arab came in India. They invented new digits. So that digit which we are using nowadays, they are invented by Arab. But before this, most people, especially in Europe, used numerals which looked completely different. These were numerals invented by the Romans. The Roman used these 7 letters in alphabets to represent, as we use 9 letters. In the same way, the Roman used these 7. I for 1, V for 5, X for 10, L for 50, C for 100, D for 50, M for 1000. And in the same way, if I'm gonna make you practice with Roman number, so it will be like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. A letter in a Roman should be repeated 3 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, then 5, then no 6. The word which come before the digit, it's the smaller. The word which become after the digit, it is the greater. This is 5 minus 1, 4. This is 5 plus 1, 6. So 7, 8. As I have told you that it is repeated 3 times. So 8, IX, X, 9. 10, X is 10, as you have seen this. Okay. And now 10 minus 1, 9. So in the next line, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, x, and till 30 it will be repeated, x x x. Okay, after 30 they will start xl. xl is equal to 40. In the same way, L is equal 50, LX 60, then LXX 70, and so on. So let's start back up our reading. They had no symbol of 0. This is because no one had thought of it in those days. 0 was first thought by an Indian mathematician. The Roman had no special symbol for 2, 4, 3, 6, 7, 8, 9, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8 and 9. This meant that their numbers became rather long and difficult to write. So Roman number 1 to 10, although Arabic number are much neater and simpler to use than Roman ones, we still use Roman numbers sometimes in everyday life. You have ever seen a clock or watch with face like this? You often find Roman number using books. When Roman number wrote 1 to 10, their special symbols or Roman number, they did like this. For 1, they wrote 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10. IX minus V. What's the challenge? You must have to solve it. It means 9 minus 5. 5 plus 9. 10 minus 2. Look carefully at the Roman number. For the 4 and 6, both use the same letter I and V, but in a different order. Roman number yes. So in this page you can watch. Look carefully at the Roman number 4 and 6. Both use the same letter I and V, but the difference order. IV 4, I before V. It comes V, I smaller than V, and when it comes before V, I subtracted from V, greater value, so IV 5 minus 4, 5 minus 1, 4. In 6, VI, I is smaller than V, so when it comes after VI, it should be added to V, like 5 plus 1, VI, 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. Rule number 1, smaller value symbol before greater value, subtract smaller from greater. Smaller value symbol after greater value, add. If it comes before greater value, it subtracted. If it comes after greater value, it is added. So in the same way, write Roman number in the given Arabic numbers 12. So at the page number 5, you will do 12 X I 10 plus 1 plus 1 2 13 X 1 2 3. Similarly 14, it will not be X 4I because in Roman number a letter should not be repeated more than 3 times. So for it you will write X I V. 10 and 4, 14. Then X V. So 17 X V I. So 10 5 6 7 8. 10 and 8 18. So X I X. 10 and 9 19. So X X. It's 20. Sarah has sent a message to her friend Amna. Help Amna to solve this message written in the Roman number code. The code is given below. Code 12R 4T 16U 5C 19E. So you will keep in touch with the code while doing the first. Change the numeral into Arabic one in your head. Then find the letter that matches each numeral. 13. So this is 13. You will write code I for 13. I. This is 20. You will write code L for 20. This is 8. You will write O for 8, and so on. All the other questions you will do by yourself. You will search the numeric. Look at the Roman. This is XV. This is 15. This is XIX 19. This is 17. This is 9. This is 5. 8. 16. 3. 4. 12. 9. Look at the Roman symbol at the page number 4. Using two simple rules, make a chart showing all the Roman numbers. For this, you will have to make a chart. It's also your vacations task. Please make a chart of Roman numbers 1 to 100 like this at the page number 4. Like this, make a beautiful frame and make a chart of Roman number. For 1 they wrote, for 2 they wrote, for 3 they wrote, and the same way you will make the chart. This was all about Roman number. Very simple, very easy, and you will do it by, you can do it by yourself. In the next video, inshallah, we will read the next page number 6. Till then, Allah Hafiz, stay blessed.